How to stop Snapchat from saving to camera roll. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to stop Snapchat from automatically saving snaps or stories to your phone's camera roll, you need to follow the simple steps that I'm going to show. So for that, you need to open your Snapchat application on your mobile device, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account, and also make sure that the Snapchat app is updated to its latest version. Now tap on the avatar icon in the top left corner of your screen, then go to settings by tapping on the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and go to the privacy control and tap on memories that you will find between generative AI settings and lenses. Now you will see two different options of storage and save destinations. Go to save button and make sure that it is set to memories instead of camera roll only or memories and camera roll. Go ahead and select memories, and when you tap the save button while editing a snap, snaps will be saved to your memories only and not your camera roll. It will also prevent stories from saving to camera roll. When posting a story, make sure that save story to camera roll is off. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.